The MUSETEX G08 PC case comes with a lot of features for its price point. 4 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans is a huge selling point, offering decent airflow out of the box and customizable lighting. You'll need a compatible 5V 3-pin RGB header on your motherboard to control the lighting, so double-check that before buying. The dual tempered glass panels give it a premium look, showcasing your internal components. While tempered glass is generally durable, it's always good to handle with care. The case supports a wide range of motherboards, from Mini IDX up to ATX, offering flexibility for different builds. You can fit GPUs up to 390mm, and there's both horizontal and vertical mounting options, although vertical mounting might require an additional bracket. The G08 also supports a 240mm or 280mm radiator at the top for liquid cooling. The front I/O panel is simple, with 2 USB 3.0 ports, which is standard for cases in this range. Dust filters on the top and bottom are a welcome addition, helping to keep your system clean. The adjustable fan mounts and the inclusion of noise-dampening sponge pads are nice touches, showing attention to detail. Overall, the MUSETEX G08 seems like a solid, budget-friendly option if you're looking for an ARGB case with good airflow and a stylish design. It's important to remember that this is a budget case, so don't expect premium materials or features. However, for the price, the included features and functionality make it a compelling option for budget-conscious builders.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.